Do you want to understand how to manipulate a woman's mind? Interested in gaining insights into understanding a woman's mindset? Stick around until the end, and you'll discover the surprising influence you can wield over the female mind through this video. First, ponder this simple question. Can we genuinely control our thoughts, or are we merely thinking what others want us to think? Consider how politicians, mass media, and educational institutions shape our perceptions and worldview by directing our attention. They manipulate our thoughts, playing left against right, blue against red, and the masses against the elites, turning it into a mind control game where we're just pawns. While it may seem counterintuitive, the truth is rarely sweet. Breaking free requires understanding these manipulation games, empowering you to not only resist, but also learn the art of mind control and manipulation. This skill enables you to influence what people say, think, and do, particularly in the realm of dating. Now brace yourself for a provocative statement. Mind control is more prevalent in women than in men. This isn't due to women being weaker or more emotional. Rather, it's rooted in a key factor, the strength of a woman's subconscious over her conscious mind. While this dynamic holds true for men, the gap in strength between the subconscious minds of men and women is substantial. Understanding that mind control operates by manipulating the subconscious makes women more susceptible. So, what does this mean for you? It means you possess the ability to master the art of controlling the female mind, akin to how politicians and the media influence society. Failure to learn this skill may leave you trailing behind other men. Let us equip you with the tools necessary for successful interactions with women. You'll be surprised at how much power you'll have over the female mind after this video. Now, let's delve into the realm of real mind control. How can you genuinely influence a woman's mind? In this video, I'll impart 3 methods, with the final one being both deceptive and politically charged. Approach these techniques with good intentions and embody the qualities of a true man. Chapter 1. The Power of Storytelling. On the surface, storytelling might seem easy and harmless, but it is a potent tool for influencing the mind. The reason lies in its deceptive simplicity. Understanding why women respond so positively to narratives requires delving into psychology. Communicating directly with a woman proves challenging because the feminine mind instinctively rejects explicit commands. Whether it's telling her she's getting sleepy or instructing her to look into your eyes, direct approaches often trigger defenses, leaving you on the back foot. Enter storytelling, a masterful strategy. The magic lies in uttering the phrase, "Let me tell you a story." Instantly, her guard falls, and for that brief moment your words infiltrate her subconscious. She becomes receptive, accepting whatever you convey without question. This is the essence of storytelling's effectiveness. Consider this scenario. You're engaging with someone you've just met, and the topic shifts to relationships. She opens up about a guy she's uncertain about, one persistently asking her out, expressing frustration with each rejection. If your response is a direct command like, "You need to leave him for me," it's likely to be dismissed as a simplistic proposal. Instead, initiate with, "Let me tell you a story." Captivate her attention by sharing a narrative of a friend in a similar situation who, upon following your advice, now enjoys a blissful relationship. Alternatively, craft your own tale. This approach not only positions you as a trusted friend and advisor, but also introduces an element of a love story, tapping into a narrative she likely craves from her romantic readings. Consider another scenario. Let's say you're chatting up a 10 you just met. You bring up the subject of relationships as you converse, and she reveals that there is some guy she isn't sure about. So then you ask her about it. She claims that he has been asking her out for some time, and that he becomes upset and emotional every time she says no. "I don't know why I'm so unsure about him, but he's a nice guy," she says. Let's say you tell her, "You need to leave him for me." Do you think that works? Obviously not. She will undoubtedly reject it. Instead, you begin with the words, "Let me tell you a story," and you immediately have her attention. You then inform her that you previously had a friend who was in a similar situation to hers, and because that friend took your advice, now he and his girl are living together happily. Or you can make up your own story. Do you realize how powerful it is yet? Recognize the power at play here? You elevate yourself as someone she can trust, and more importantly, you encourage her to immerse herself in a real-time love story. This is a skill you'll master by the end of this video, so stick around. While you're at it, consider subscribing to this channel. Now let's explore the second method to influence and understand a woman's mind. Chapter 2. Captivating focus. Humans, both men and women, possess an innate ability to captivate themselves. This implies that as we dwell on thoughts of someone we find alluring, we tend to develop a profound connection with that individual. Astonishingly, this attraction can blossom even if the other party plays no active role in our lives. The allure is evident in our fascination with celebrities and actresses. Undeniably, the concept of attention capture wields considerable influence. The proof lies in the immense popularity of romantic novels, particularly among women. The secret to their success? They are masterfully crafted to be irresistible, filled with gripping drama, unexpected plot twists, and enticing cliffhangers. Now, consider this. You possess the same captivating power. If you aim to capture a woman's attention, consider the following strategies. Number 1. Alluring promises. Engage her curiosity by promising to reveal more about yourself in the near future. Number 2. Intriguing stories with a twist. Share a captivating story but deliberately leave it unfinished, creating anticipation with a remark like, "Anyway, it's getting late. I'll share the rest next time." Number 3. Introduce drama. Infuse some excitement into your interactions. This could range from lighthearted teasing to deliberately sparking a minor argument. The objective is to create a sense of intrigue and emotional engagement. Among these attention-capturing techniques, the third one, introducing drama, stands out as the most potent. This brings us to the third method of influencing a woman's mindset. Chapter 3. Stirring emotions or emotional roller coasters. Let me share a stark reality about the modern woman of today. She yearns for more. Boredom often pervades her daily life, and what she craves above all is excitement. Whether it's the thrill of being desired, cherished, terrified, or completely captivated, women seek an escape from the mundane and predictable. Even those happily married may find themselves occasionally longing for something more, something beyond the routine. It's not just about seeking physical satisfaction, it's the pursuit of an adrenaline rush, the yearning for excitement that seems absent in their lives. This quest for enthusiasm often leads women to engage in affairs, not solely for the sake of sex, but for the thrill it brings. So, what happens when a woman, much like many today, struggles to find this thrill in her own reality? She turns to stories and narratives, immersing herself in the world of romance novels, Netflix dramas. By living vicariously through the experiences of heroines, she can embark on a journey filled with drama, adventure, risk, and reward. Here's the exciting part. You possess the ability to fill that void in her life. You achieve this by taking her on a genuine emotional roller coaster, providing the drama, adventure, and satisfaction she craves. What defines a remarkable emotional roller coaster? In one word, unpredictability. Better yet, think of it as mystery. Women are drawn to mysterious men, and the key is to be spontaneous and unpredictable. Keep her on her toes, guessing what comes next. The result? You'll linger in her thoughts for an extended period. Maintain this approach, and it won't be long before she becomes utterly addicted to you. Once she's addicted, creating the kind of relationship you desire becomes remarkably effortless. Now, here's the crucial insight. You may not have mastered the art of putting women on emotional roller coasters, and that's perfectly fine. We all start somewhere. However, if you aspire to wield complete control over your dating life and hold influence over women, thanks for watching the videos. Like, share, and subscribe, and keep showing your love on our videos because good content is coming in future.